In this video, we'll go over perpetual protocol. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, perpetual to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is perpetual protocol? Perpetual protocol is a decentralized exchange for futures on Ethereum and XDAI. Traders can go long or short with up to 10x leverage on a growing number of assets like BTC, ETH, DOT, SNX, YFI, and others. Trading is non-custodial, meaning traders always retain possession of their assets, and on-chain. Perpetual protocol utilizes a virtual automated market maker, which provides on-chain liquidity with predictable pricing set by constant product curves. Furthermore, perpetual protocol designed its VAMMs to be market neutral and fully collateralized. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The goal of perpetual protocol is to create a perpetual contracts trading platform that anyone can use. To do that, users need to be able to trade with good liquidity and low slippage. Perpetual protocol solves this by employing its VAMM solution. Perpetual protocol doesn't follow the usual order book model of centralized exchanges. Instead, traders trade against a virtual automated market maker, whose initial liquidity is set by the operator. For instance, assume the operator sets the VAMM's liquidity at 100 VETH to 40,000 VDAI. Someone depositing DAI to go long on ETH would tilt the price of ETH upwards and create an incentive to go short on VETH, if the price is out of line with market prices. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $3 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.